Alright, so this is a video of a Qidi Xmax 3. I'm going to home this this printer. Now what I'm going to show you, this video is going to be focusing on these backlash nuts right here, on both sides, right there, oh, right there. So we're just going to go home this, and we're going to listen to the grinding sound that we get. Now I actually have a remedy for this, but I made the issue come back just to be able to show it. So head's going, it's homing, everything's perfect, everything seems to be fine until it makes it about last 30% of the travel, and then it starts to grind. Hear that? Alright, so basically what can happen is if you tighten those backlash nuts tighter, it will actually make it worse. So the remedy I've found, let me just drop this bed down here a little bit. Alright, so currently right now I actually only have those like, oh, one sec. Alright, I dropped my wrench. Alright, going back to this. So those basically, right now are actually only finger tight. They were like wrench tight pretty much when I got this from factory. So what I found to do, and I'll try to get in here the best as I can. Now, see right now, I can actually tighten that more, but what you want to do, let me loosen it here. I find loosening it by about almost a full turn, and do that for each one. You know, just one sec here, and I'll be right back once I get this done on all of them, and I'll rehome it. Alright, so basically after you loosen them from the manufacturer and then retighten them just to the point you can twist them tight with your fingers. Loosen them about a half to a full turn off that, and this is the result that you'll get. Alright, I'm just going to home it again. Now, from factory, this printer, they were actually tight enough that it wasn't homing. It would actually lock the stepper motor up. Now watch. Perfect, no grinding at all. And that's basically how you resolve the grinding when trying to home on the Qidi Xmax 3. I'm not sure if this is a manufacturer defect or not yet. Nor have I tried new backlash nuts in it. I'm not really sure if that's the problem or not, but I'll get back to you when I find out. Alright, thank you.